every sunset here literally looks like a movie. This is so satisfying. I really have to... Things have come along a far way. Let's get this party started. Please enjoy this time lapse of my mom and I trying to put the legs onto this TV for, I kid you not, 20 minutes. And we kept thinking we had the wrong parts, so we were switching back and forth until we finally realized that we had the legs to the wrong TV. And then once we got the right ones, it took us 5 seconds. These move-in vlogs are literally just one big comedy show. You guys, I was saying how I wanted to get white storage boxes for over there. I guess I bought some a while ago because I forgot that I ordered these, and I've actually been looking to buy these. I guess I already ordered them and I forgot. The baskets do the job. I just like everything in my room is white, so like the black boxes just were kind of bringing the mood down. So what I'm gonna do is bring those down now and then put everything in them in here, and then I will show you guys what it looks like afterwards. It looks ugly. Oh, I give up on this fucking room. I give up. Okay, guys, so NYC steamers just got here with their steaming machine. They're actually gonna help out clean this carpet. You guys know what this carpet looked like when I first got it. It was like beige. Now it's like a nice gray color. Hopefully they can help with that. And then also during the move, this white couch got a bunch of stains. They're gonna help me out with that. And then I think that once the couch is clean and then the carpet is clean and like we have it rolled out, this whole area will look way more like a proper living room. This was honestly the most satisfying thing to watch. Like, I was talking to the guy who was doing the steaming, and he was like, yeah, I'm convinced I have the most satisfying job on the planet. And I was like, yes, you do, sir, because this was basically ASMR to my eyes the whole time, and they left my house smelling so good. I was literally clean girl aesthetic level 1000 when they left. I've been meaning to get my couch and my carpet steamed for as long as I can remember, but I just kept putting it off. So I'm glad that it finally happened for me. So if you're in New York, you should definitely check them out. They were great. Okay, so far we've done these 3 pillows, and I just want to show you guys. Look at all that black, dirty water. This is so satisfying. Ew, that's kind of nasty. Okay, so we just finished the couch. Now we're gonna do the carpet, which is honestly way more dirty. It looks so good, you guys. Next up in the room decor process, I got these knobs. There's 34 of them, and I'm gonna change every single knob that you can find in my room. The knobs, they're called knobs, right? I got little like crystal ones with gold detailing because obviously there's a gold thing going, so just to continue with that. And everything has a different knob, which just doesn't really like give me continuity. But that's the mission. Wait, I bought 15 of them, not 34. Why would I buy 34 of them? I would need to have a lot of dressers to get through 34 of them. Oh my god, I just ate so many falafels. I need a second. Okay, ready? Let's get this party started. Oh god, I did the wrong thing. Not the knob. That's cute. These knobs actually look so ugly. Like, why do they look like that? That's what they look like now. Way more sleek. How the fuck am I gonna do this?
You can install your knobs later. They were sitting here for a month and a half.
Why are you giving me attitude about my knobs? So I just finished up the dresser. It already looks so much better. Now I have to move on to these. I honestly didn't really mind the knobs that this dresser came with in the first place, but I just want everything to be cohesive, so I'm gonna go ahead and change all of those. Finally, I'm gonna change these 2 right here, and these are literally the knobs that the apartment came with, so I'm gonna spice them up a little. Oh. it really do be golden hour. We had a major road bump along the way. This wasn't as easy as the dresser. The shelves are too thin. When I put the screw into the knob, there's a little bit of space, so they kept wobbling around. And at first I thought it was because I wasn't screwing them in right, so that's why there was space, but I have now come to the conclusion that it's not my fault. I was like making up shit to like put in between the space like this, like, you know, so that it would like fill up the space that was left. So I found this like foamy paper and I was like, perf. But then they all just started ripping. It would fall. Then I found these little metal circles in our tool bag. It's the perfect amount of space. That's what they're made for. I know about these because I told you I'm Bob the Builder, first of all. Second of all, we used them when we were putting our TV on because it was a curved TV, so there was also extra space. That actually took me so much brain effort to figure out. I really had to look for the little circle thing. There aren't a lot. I haven't counted how many we have left. There might not be enough, but honestly, I just like don't want to ruin my day. That's gonna be something that I find out at another point. Okay, I'm gonna do this. You don't need to see me doing this. You probably are bored enough. I did all of them, as you can see. They're looking great, except for this one, because this, you have no idea the amount of like hacks and tricks that I've been trying to do. Since that screw is dead, I could technically like spin this piece around it to get it out, but it won't stay. Like it keeps rolling with it. So I found this thing. I never knew how it worked. Now I know. Giving me so much anxiety. You have no idea. It's 92 degrees today. Okay, you guys, it's complete. This one has issues, but I'm just not gonna be able to fix this. I tried, my hands hurt, but I honestly think it looks so much nicer with these handles. Like, it looks more modern. These two are actually from different collections, different brands, so they didn't really look like a match, but now that the knobs are matching, it almost looks like they're from the same collection, which is cute. Finally, I changed, oh, hey, the sun is literally shining through. Let me show you guys the view. Every sunset here literally looks like a movie. I also switched out the closet knob, so it now looks more sleek. Only thing really left is my bedside table, which I thought I ordered. I could have sworn I ordered it. Like, I remember the bedside table I picked. Like, I remember putting in my card info, but like, it's been a month and there is no bedside table. I also went through my email and I can't find an order confirmation. So I'm like, did I dream this? My bedside table is currently a box. This is stuff that's on my Depop. Please go look at my Depop so that I can get rid of these clothes and not have that in the corner right there. I also have this placeholder lamp. I definitely need an actual cute lamp to go with the rest of the room. This clothing rack with all my jackets was supposed to be temporary, but honestly, there's just no space for it. She's staying for good. Other than that, things have come along a far way. Mirror looking good, hasn't fallen on my face yet. Necklace shelf looking good. My vanity's looking good. Everything's a little messy. I also feel like I need to have like a new pillow situation going, or maybe get a headboard or something, because I feel like my bed looks kind of naked. I don't know. Also, I don't know if I love this rug. It's very cute and it goes with like the pink touches around the room, but it also gives me like 2018 my dorm room. I'm trying to channel like city girl in her 20s. Pink fuzzy rug isn't really doing that for me. Also, I got my nails done because I wanted something pink. Honestly, I should just like stop trying to hide the fact that pink is still my favorite color. Like, I like feel this pressure on myself, which I don't even know why the fuck I am pressuring myself like this. I'm like, I'm in my 20s, like I live in a big city, it's time to be an adult. But like, I don't know. I like my fuzzy pink carpet and like I like my dinosaur fucking lamp. I don't want to take it out. I don't care. Maybe like when I'm 25 I'll think of that.